What is up, guys? We're here in the close to the woods. You guys have probably seen this place, not the woods, but the place in my riding videos.
The old dirt bike track until the axles tore it all up, like the bobcat and shit.
Yeah.
We used to have a nice jump down here. We had nice berms and stuff. You can see part of it down here. I got rid of my dirt bike. Getting a 450. Should be on there here soon. That's what it's looked like lately. See, you can see our old berms and stuff. Pretty cool. Wonder what we're doing back here. Old fire pit. Should we go back there?
Yeah. I remember a hit up there when we were playing that
I remember
one
I
thing.
think it was Jacob and Brianna. Came back here and made out alive or some shit.
Fucking gay.
Here's one of the old ass rusted busted skids. Fucking good. There's another shit. Dude, our freaking fire pit is destroyed. From what it looks like. Some of it looks like they're coming down here and going, oh shit, a hatchet.
You must have forgot that. Oh shit!
Holy hell! Someone's been coming back here.
Yeah, definitely.
Look at the wood. Dude, someone's been coming back here, yo.
Yeah, this should be all overgrown.
Oh no, this wood came from the teepee we tried to build.
Oh.
Here's the old fire pit. We can get a super hella small one going.
There we go. The old fire pit.
Good boy, this is down.
Is that really a beer bottle back there? Is that a beer bottle or like soda, like tin soda thing?
It's a spray can.
Oh, Febreze. Looks like one of them Bud Light bottles. The aluminum ones. Aluminum.
Dude, the freaking
Oh,
stream has a new route. That's pretty cool. The stream has a new route.
Yeah, because look, fucking big ass log fell on it.
We should go through here so we can get to the shack.
The what?
The shack.
Oh, yeah. The old weed eater.
Dude, everything's falling down. Look at the old rope ladder.
Yeah. Rope swing, slider thing.
Well, there's a rope swing to get over this damn river.
It's dead. Super hella sketchy. Dude, this is ice. Ice in here.
It's a freaking slippery shit.
Like thin layer ice. Slippery sheet. Oh. Holy hell, be careful. Your girl said that the other day. He was at my house. He was like, holy hell, be careful.
at Brian's last night.
Rope swing. Oh, nothing. Nothing. Full of THC.